Entonces, la máquina que me compré para la nieve. This is a electric snow plower machine, snow shovel. And today is the perfect day to use it because we had a very nice snow last night. Tuvimos una nevazón bastante buena anoche. So, okay. I hope it's charged already. Ojalá que esté cargada. So I can use it right away. What is this? For my superhero testing? Oh no, this is to cover it from the elements. Para protegerla de los elementos. Actually, for gloves, un par de guantes. Winter also. This is the battery. This is the charger. That's this button here. Okay, so this is fully charged. 3 dots, right? No necesitamos cargarla porque ya viene cargada. And this, which looks like a pretty cool, huh? Like, I'll be back. Even has a trigger. Kronos, I'll be back. So now you can pretend that you know and that you don't need the manual. Puedes pretender que sabes hacer todo sin el manual and end up with some extra pieces y terminar con un par de piezas extra, o puedes usar el manual. ¿Sí? Mientras lo dejo con un clip de Baby Kronos. Y obviamente te va a tratar de meter a la caja. O quizás no. ¿No? No quiere. ¿Quiere que limpie afuera? Bueno, se espera. Uy. Ahí. Ahí, para que no se me cache todos los músculos. Pretty simple. Doesn't move. So then the battery, the handle right there. So we should ready. El gorrito para la mi madre. Jacket. Gotta see how it works. Oh. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. ¿Hasta el reloj? That's the video.